Hey, Jason, Fanatics hockey jersey break number 79, I believe, on the site. Let me look. Number 79. Pick your player, 79, that is. Only 15 stuffed boxes, guys. This is crazy. And just think about it. Tomorrow's 14. Oh, no. It just keeps getting better. All right. 3 or more on the dice roll. $11 times. All right. So you said 180, 182. They are out of there. So we're good to go. All right, 11 times on the dice, guys. Let's see what box we're going to open. One. Yeah, I don't mind doing that, Gabe. I don't mind. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 2 more, guys. 2 more rolls. 10. 11th and final, guys. 192 is up there now. 12th and final. Oh, one more. 11th and final time. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Boom. Box 55. Box 55, 11 times. Wow. Box 55. Woo! Box 55, y'all. That means email that bad boy to my... Good luck, guys. Starting out with Evander Kane for the Winnipeg Jets. Evander Holyfield, the real deal. Oh, wait a minute. That's not Evander, is it? Authentic Pro. Adidas Authentic Pro for the Devils. Jack Hughes. Ellie, you're Jack Hughes? Or you're Kane? Oh, you're Hughes. Nice. Playing the odds, man. And this jersey's alright. I mean, it's alright. It's alright. Authentic Pro. Matty Barzal for the Islanders. For Tonio. Oh, wait, I got this email. Hey Rob, I bought Barzal. Tonio did not buy Barzal. I have proof that I bought it before he did. Please check email and orders. Sorry, I was on mute, guys. Just joking, Tonio. Just joking. Oh, wait. Hughes and Barzy we have. Hughes is Ellie Cat. Barzy is Tonio. Okay, so Tonio and Barzy. Ellie on Hughes. Now we just have to see who has Evander. Breakers TV captured the double. Alright, so Evander Kane. Alright, let's see who it is. Evander. Alright, Evander Kane. That is double J. So we got one Evander Kane left in the products now. So you will see Evander Kane in there still. It'll say ×1, so everybody realizes that it's no longer ×2, of course. So there's one more Evander double J. Yeah, it was a smoking box, bro. It was dope.